Hey guys, welcome to the Mug Life DIY. I am Julia and I'm so glad you guys decided to click on my video. Today I am participating in Heidi Sonboul's Open Collab DIY Challenge. Yes, the collab was basically do what you love doing, and that was it. Hope you guys will enjoy this trash to treasure that I created, which is definitely close to my heart and something I love creating. Thanks guys for checking out this video and I hope you enjoy. I am so glad you decided to join the Trash to Treasure, video. I am using some old plastic bead necklace. I have mentioned this before. I got a huge gallon-sized Ziploc bag at thrift store last year of all these different size beads, and I just thought, oh, I can totally craft with those, and I always do. And my mom gave me these 2 Christmas cookie tins with some cookies in them, etc. And I was like, well, let's see what I can craft out of them. And I knew automatically I could make some candlesticks out of them. So that is what we are going to do. I am going to glue the largest beads I have on the bottom section. Also forgot to mention that these little, let's see, is this a hexagon or octagon? I'm counting, I'm not going to do it. Anyways, this little wood box that I have was given to me by my mother-in-law. She gave me so much of her craft stash, and they're actually, it says from Dollar Tree. I don't know how long ago these are from, but they're pretty awesome. I don't know if they still sell these. I know Dollar Tree's been doing a lot of wood things, but any kind of container that you have would work as a base. And I took some cardboard from my stash and I just traced the shape at the bottom, and I am going to do a couple of layers thick and glue it so it becomes my new top. Now for the second candlestick, I'm just using the bottom part of that box and I'm going to glue it down. And I did change my mind. I went with the smaller beads so that they would look a little bit different. They would complement each other, but that they're not the exact same. And as I said, I decided to go with the smaller beads just so that they would complement each other but not be the exact same. And I'm even, guys, I was trying to like not over glue because I am like, I've been called the glue master. I just keep gluing and gluing and gluing, and you know, I just go with it. So I was like wiping as I went. I was trying to just dab it. I was doing really great, but it took forever. So if that's your style of crafting, I wish I could be you. And oh, I didn't mention, this is, I save all of my pizza cardboard. Yes, pizza cardboard, because it's round and fairly thin, so it's really easy to cut and do the shapes that you want. So I have a lot of these round cardboards. And I wanted to beef up the top section, so I just used my craft sticks and cut around the edges, and then I glue them together to give a little bit of a lip to my cardboard. And then I'm just going to reinforce with a little bit of extra glue on the bottom, and then I spray painted them in the same green moss color that I used for my bird cage. So I'll have that link up above for you. And it is just, I don't know why I'm obsessed with this green color. It's just so natural and fun, and it's the accent color I'm doing in my library. I'm doing greens and oranges, more like a rust orange, and it just, I don't know, I really enjoyed this color. So I'm just kind of adding a few little golden rust color, and I even add a little bit of tan just to highlight an accent and to give the piece not so much of a flat look, but I wanted it to have dimension and just really kind of pop from just being all one color. And I don't know, guys, I was feeling this music today. I'm like, it's a dance party, because I needed something to just boost my mood. And this just reminded me of like an 80s like anthem. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. And on my other one, I did a little bit more tan accents along with a few touches of the gold, but I really hit the beads with the tan. And I don't know, I just really liked that color combination of this tannish suede color with the dark moss green. And I didn't like the how the layered cardboard looked. I tried to finish it off with some glue, but I just didn't think it looked quite finished enough. So I took some more popsicle sticks and cut them down to size and glued them around. And then I did hit them up with the tan, the same color that I did my beads. And here's a little sneak peek of my front library room. One top side, I just think it's really fun with these dark green candlesticks and with all of my other natural elements that I have in here. I added a little bit of moss and my LED candlesticks, and it just matched perfectly with my grandmother's antique sewing box, and I just absolutely adored how this one section of my house turned out. Thanks guys for watching this Trash to Treasure. I hope you guys will like, subscribe, hey, even dislike, that's okay. And I'll see you next time.